Out of all the business models and income streams that I talked about in this video series, my favorite one is building an email list. And with an email list, you could promote products to your fans and your subscribers time and time again. And basically, you'll just have more opportunities to promote things to them if you have a list. And another great thing about it is that you don't want to be too dependent on YouTube. YouTube can shut down your channel anytime, as they've done to many other YouTubers. So it's a way for you to gain your independence from YouTube, just in case. Having an email list is also a great way for you to build a relationship with your fans and your subscribers. And of course, you may have heard of the saying, the money is in the list. I promote affiliate products every day to my list and earn money every day because of that. And aside from the affiliate products, you can also promote your own products and merchandise. You can promote your Patreon page. You could just simply let them know of your latest videos. And basically, you could promote business models that I talked about in the previous videos. And it goes without saying, you should provide value as well to your list by giving them free tips and advice every once in a while, and not just always trying to sell them something. Now, when it comes to building your list, you will need some tools. You will need to build a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a web page that you need to collect email addresses from your leads. And although you can create it for free, there are video tutorials on YouTube for that. It's probably easiest for you just to use a tool. There are free and paid tools for creating squeeze pages. You just have to search for whatever is the right one for you. Another tool you'll need is an autoresponder. And an autoresponder allows you to collect leads, or build a database of subscribers, and automates several things such as sending out your thank you emails and other types of emails to your list, and also allows you to segment your list. And the autoresponder that I use is GetResponse. I've been using that for almost 10 years now. However, there are several autoresponders out there, so again, do your research and find whatever is the right one for you. So when you're creating a squeeze page and you're trying to get people to opt into your list, I do recommend that you offer a free gift. You could write up a free report. You could also just buy the rights to some ebooks or other types of products. But again, you could just spend a few minutes just writing a list of top tips, and it doesn't have to be 20 pages long. It could just be one or two pages long. Okay, so once you have your squeeze page set up, you would put a link in your YouTube description. You would say something to the effect of, get more free tips from me here, or get your free video here. So for example, if you have a weight loss or a fitness channel, you could say something like, click here to find the best, or to find the 10 tips on how to get six-pack abs. Welcome to this course, and in the following videos I'm going to be talking about several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. Most people think that you need a large YouTube channel with millions of subscribers and millions of views in order to be successful on YouTube. And yes, it is true that people on YouTube who have millions of subscribers are making a lot of money. What's also true is that you don't really need a large channel to earn a full-time income. I know of YouTubers with small channels who are earning a full-time income, and that's because they're not relying on just one or two income streams, or the popular income streams and business models that you hear about, such as making money from YouTube ads being placed on your videos. But with that said, you do need a business model around your channel. Don't just focus on growing your audience and your AdSense revenue. And AdSense revenue I'm going to talk about in a later video, and it's basically the revenues that you earn when people click on ads on your videos. And mind you, when you first start out, you may have small income streams, but if you add them all together, they can add up to something significant. So you should strategically try to build multiple streams of income. So watch the following video, in which I'm going to talk about the several types of income streams that you could earn as a YouTuber. I'm just going to go through some income streams in this video
that you can earn as a YouTuber. Some of these you may already be familiar with, and some of them you may not. Okay, so let me just quickly go through these, and then some of these I'll talk more about in the following videos. Now, the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers is AdSense, Google AdSense. And basically, when you're watching a YouTube video and you see an ad, and if you click on that ad, the YouTuber who posted that YouTube video will get paid by Google. Now, other ways you can make money are through the sales from your own products, through crowdfunding, brand deals, and affiliate income. And these income streams that I just mentioned, I'll cover more in the following videos. Other ways to earn money are through consulting, speaking opportunities. You can also license some of your video content to brands that want to take your content and make it a part of their commercials. You can set up a paid membership site in which you can provide more training and other perks. And you can do super chats, and this is where you can get paid through your live streams. You could also do freelance services. And lastly, my favorite income stream is to build an email list that you can continually market products and or services to. And I will also be talking about this in another video in this series. I'll also be talking about the super chat in another video in this series. Okay, so with that said, I will see you in the following video. The first income stream that I'm going to talk about is Google AdSense, and this is probably the most well-known income stream amongst YouTubers, probably because it requires the least amount of work. And this is actually my least favorite income stream. Okay, now if you're not familiar with Google AdSense or you don't know what it is, it's basically where you share revenue with Google when their ads are displayed on your videos, and a viewer clicks on that ad or watches it fully. Now, here's what I don't like about this business model. First, you cannot control this revenue stream, and you're going to make very little money through this business model. You're only going to make between $1 to $2.50 on every 1,000 views, or CPM. CPM means cost per thousand. So for every 1,000 views on your videos, you're only going to get paid between $1 and $2 or $2.50. So if you do the math, if your goal is to make, let's say, $1,000, then you need to get 500,000 views. There are exceptions though. If you niche your channel down and become really targeted, you can earn more money per 1,000 views. For example, I know of a YouTuber who's making $15 instead of the average $1 to $2 per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views, he's making $15. So if you want to start putting AdSense ads on your videos, there are some new YouTube requirements. You do need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, if the thought of making money through AdSense depresses you, don't worry. In the following videos, I'll talk about other business models that you can apply in which you can actually earn more money than AdSense, and that requires, or actually does not require you to have a large YouTube